Alrighty, chat. Welcome. Now, today, LA Beast Jr. is making his return to the expired foods business. Now, today on our meal platter, we have a bag of Utz crab chips. The date's right there, but they expired in 2020, April 25th, 2020. So 5-year-old chips, right? You know, they were good when they were actually not expired. Like, I had some of them when they weren't expired. I was like 9, but now I'm 14, so like they're old. So am I. I mean, yeah, but this is a single ounce of the chips. This is like a fun size bag, but this, these are terrible for you. There's a lot of fat and sugar in here, but there's fiber in them. But yeah, so I found these in my pantry. So I was like, all right, another expired food video. So yeah, enough with my yapping. Let's open this bag of chips. Okay. I'm gonna take the wing cover off so the crinkling's better. Ooh. Okay, I don't want to smell it yet, but I'm gonna put the wing cover back on. Let's spread the. Okay. Smell that. This is not gonna be fun. Okay. They don't smell good. Not at all. So, yeah, I guess this time we're going deep. I'm gonna eat these how I would have when I was 9 years old. Multiple at once. Now, these were orange when I used to eat them. You know, they might look orange on camera, but they are more of like a white, potatoy color. But, ugh. They just smell like rotting crab. Like, they don't smell good at all. But, cheers. All right. All right, I'm done. Yeah. Sorry about that. But, this tastes like rotten meat. Like, this is. I would not feed this to a fucking dog. Like, this shit's getting thrown away so easily. But, yeah. It's in my teeth. It tastes horrible. But, I'll end it here. And I will see you guys next time. Later.